Ladies and gentlemen, welcome and thank you for joining us today. My name is Tammy Colipano.
And I am Jennifer Burge. Over the next half hour or so, we're going to share with you a way to substantially improve your patient's outcomes and your income. Again, my name is Jennifer. I'm a registered dietitian and certified diabetes educator. I've been with Unicity International since 2008. Initially, I was looking for a way to earn some part-time income. I was working full-time as a dietitian at a hospital and had some frustration with my job. At the time, my boys were 4 and 7, and I will just say, my work setting was not family-friendly. I never took sick time for myself, but when my boys were sick, I had to take time off. Being constantly judged about that was not my idea of fun. I also wanted the flexibility to do the things I wanted to do as a mom. In addition, my husband and I had a lot of student loans. He's a physician assistant and went to Yale, so you can see why. I was looking for a way to earn extra income, pay down our debt, and be able to work part-time as a dietitian. So that was my initial goal. Now, as a dietitian, I was very intrigued by Bios Life Slim. Tammy was attracted for a completely different reason.
That is very true, Jen. I am an author and business success coach and am known as the Living Better expert. I work with clients from dozens of different home businesses, so I'm pretty familiar with all of the opportunities available to generate additional income. In a moment, you'll begin to understand why, when I reviewed Unicity, I had to get on board. I was blown away by the quality of products, the science behind them, and the financial opportunity. Combining health and wealth is what it means to live better. And that is exactly what we are going to present. We have 2 outcomes for today. First, by the end of this briefing, you'll easily understand how to improve patient outcomes, increase both your office and personal profits, and do so without adding additional staff or additional time to your work schedule. Second, if you agree this program can help your patients and can be easily integrated into your practice, we are going to invite you to partner with us to make life better. Allow our CEO, Stuart Hughes, to share where we've been and where we're going.
It was a little over 21 years ago that I actually joined the company as a franchise partner. The reason I chose this company was because there was a product that actually changed people's lives for the better in a dramatic fashion, and you could measure the effect of it. Now, I'd seen products that made an impact on people, but you never really knew for sure because you couldn't measure it. But this product had power. With a blood test, you could see that it actually worked for you. And over the course of 15 years, I built a great business, helped literally tens of thousands of people with that product, and thousands of people build a dynamic and successful business, creating self-reliance for themselves and an independent lifestyle. 6.5 years ago, I became the CEO of the company and redoubled my efforts to create a company with products that really could impact people's lives. Today, we have 11 products in the Physician's Desk Reference, a testament to the validity of the power of our products. No other company in our industry has as many products listed in the PDR as we do. But our goal is not just to be a company that focuses on products entirely. We're also focused on entrepreneurs and providing a business opportunity that can cause their lives to change forever in remarkably positive ways. We want to create an environment where people can actually achieve their potential in a business setting, create an independent lifestyle where they're no longer worried about money. They're no longer worried about having the time to be with their family and enjoy the things they want to enjoy in life. This is the company Unicity has become. We're proud of what we've become. We're proud of the lives that we've changed, both on the health front and on the business opportunity front. We think that you ought to take a look at us. We've got a great team, both inside the business and inside the leadership ranks of our franchise partners. And working together, we've set new records literally every single year. It's incredibly satisfying to us inside the company to see our franchise partners living lives that literally are superstar lives. I mean, they drive Lamborghinis, they have Porsches and Mercedes, and today they live a life that they could hardly have imagined. We have built that kind of a business environment so that anyone who applies themselves can achieve their goals. So as a person who has lived the life of a franchise partner for 15 years and certainly enjoyed the extraordinary benefits that come from that life of independence, that life of time freedom, and then as a person who's spent the last 6.5, 7 years as the CEO, I can tell you without a doubt that this is the most powerful business opportunity you will ever see. This is the most incredible time you will ever find us We're ready to help you live your dreams.
As Stuart mentioned, 11 of our products are in the physician desk reference, or the PDR as it is known in the industry. As you can see, we are committed to research, and not simply researching individual ingredients, but researching our products in their completed forms. We have an association with the American Diabetes Association, and currently there are studies being conducted at Johns Hopkins and the University of Sydney at Australia. We are committed to excellence in science, which is probably why so many healthcare providers are associated with our company. About 30% of franchise owners have a medical background, while the other 70% are entrepreneurial individuals like Tammy, who catch the vision of teaming up with medical professionals like myself to make a profound difference on the world's health. Our flagship products are BioSlife Slim and Slim G. As a dietitian, these caught my attention because they are fiber-based. Slim has 4 grams of fiber in each packet and is packaged so that you can take it before your 2 largest meals. As a dietitian, I was always promoting fiber, and when people would follow my advice and get the recommended 25 grams of fiber per day, they would do great. As I'm sure you can appreciate, most people would not follow my advice, or if they did, it was short-lived. Like 10% of women, I have PCOS, polycystic ovarian syndrome, and with that comes what I call crazy carb cravings and difficulty losing weight. Even being a dietitian and knowing what to eat, I was still constantly thinking about food. Slim gave me the freedom from food. I lost 22 pounds, and even better, I was able to stop thinking about food. I even made sure not to change my eating habits or exercise routine. I only added Slim. I felt like my old self again, which is why I get so emotional about BioSlife Slim. I love the fact that it has a blend of 5 different fibers, mostly soluble. A blend you can't find in any one food. You can't go eat an apple or oatmeal and get the same blend. There's no food out there that provides what Slim does. Slim has plant polysaccharides that expand in the stomach up to 7 times, giving people a sense of fullness. It's clinically proven over an 8-week period to decrease bad LDL by 31% and increase heart-healthy HDL by 29%. This is significant because not even cholesterol medications will do this. It also balances blood sugar and reduces hemoglobin A1C. It's easy to use, convenient. You just mix it with 8 ounces of water 5 to 15 minutes before meals. You drink it and you're done. Now this just shows you that when we eat, our blood sugar goes up and insulin levels follow. Blood sugar starts to drop about 90 minutes after, but insulin doesn't come down as fast. A lot of us snack in between meals, which bumps our blood sugar up again and keeps our insulin levels from returning to pre-meal levels. Now this is a problem because if insulin levels are elevated, the body can't use those free fatty acids for energy. Simply put, insulin blocks the door, keeping the free fatty acids in, on your hips, and blocking your arteries. With Slim before meals, you'll see that blood sugar does not go up as much. Slim basically gives the meal a lower glycemic response. Therefore, insulin doesn't have to rise as much and is much more likely to return to a pre-meal level. In addition, because you don't see the blood sugar crash, people are more likely to feel satisfied, to feel better, and they'll last until their next meal. This allows their body to burn fat. In the 90s, BioSlife 2 was created at Stanford University. Our product line has expanded to address the ever-growing concerns of diabetes, high cholesterol, and obesity. Initially, the focus was on heart health, and what Unicity discovered was that with BioSlife, people not only had improved lipids, but also experienced weight loss. So they wanted to expand on that and continued their research in that direction. In 2008, Slim was released, still having the same lipid benefits, but with more of a focus on weight because of the plant polysaccharides that expand in the gut. Research shows that fasting glucose and hemoglobin A1C improves with BioSlife, so they tweaked the Slim version and created Slim G. And then in 2012, we began offering health coaching in conjunction with the products to create an overall healthy lifestyle. Medical professionals are flocking to us in droves because while the clinical data and studies are impressive, the results their patients experience and the increased increased profits are exceptional.
Oh, I could not agree more, Jen. What I hear from the medical professionals, personal trainers, and salon owners I work with is that their favorite part is they're able to help their clients and their revenues without adding additional time to their busy work schedules. Jennifer mentioned we have a health coaching program. Now, listen carefully, because this may be the answer to your prayers that you've been looking for. We offer a 13-week transformation program that not only provides people with the products needed to change their health, but with the support and weekly coaching and accountability that is so desperately needed to stay on track. I don't have to tell you how hot coaching is. People hire coaches for everything from dating to wardrobe planning, or in my case, as a business success coach, entrepreneurs hire me to coach them to the financial success they desire. The best part about our health program is you simply help your patients fill out the paperwork, and our certified health coaches take it from there. Take a look yourself.
So really there are two core principles that are at work here, nutrition and fitness. Nutrition that allows you to eat well while eating right, and fitness is fitness that fits you. Our research led to the application of 4 key products developed by Unicity Sciences, and they are what really make your transformation possible. So the first product is Life Fiber, a natural cleanse product that allows your digestive system to operate at an optimal level. The next product is Link Complete, which is the leading protein drink available at Unicity Sciences.
One of the X factors of the transformation program is Lean Complete. I mean, this is like the perfect breakfast.
If you start your day with protein, then you're not going to get hungry.
Loved it, loved it, loved it. It made me full. It kept me full for 5 hours.
BioSlife Matcha, a unique natural energy product that uses ceremonial grade matcha that's exclusively grown in Japan. It comes in 2 forms, BioSlife Matcha for those who want the extra energy, and Matcha Focus for those who already have energy but want the extra mental clarity. Finally, we have BioSlife Slim. This is a unique patented product that helps you burn fat, manage cholesterol, and control blood sugar levels. BioSlife Slim and Slim G provide the same great benefits, while Slim G is recommended for those who need additional blood glucose management. So it's one thing to lose weight, but it's something else entirely to keep it off. So our process really is revolutionary in that it not only ensures success within the Make Life Better transformation, but it's lasting success. And we base this revolutionary process around 3 key success components. The first is a success coach that will personally guide you through each step of this transformation process. The second is a success team that we help you choose that will continually encourage you. And lastly is the success tracker, an online tool that helps you keep track of your progress and success and also interact with other transformation participants.
What I was eating on a daily basis. It was a shock to me to know that I was not as healthy as I thought I was.
We're proud of what Unicity Sciences has created, and what's most important to us is that the Make Life Better transformation program works.
Physically, I'm feeling the best that I've felt in many, many, many years.
I was impressed that I could fit into clothes that I've had in my closet for years, hoping to fit into. It was like my wardrobe opened up again. This is a lifetime for me.
It's been an amazing transformation for my whole family, not just me.
I have twin daughters. They're very competitive. My goal at the end of 13 weeks was to do a triathlon with the 2 of them, and I accomplished that and met my goal.
This transformation program was absolutely life-changing for me. It's a remarkable difference. My blood pressure even improved. My dad died of a heart attack, so that change really means that I'm going to be around a lot longer for my son.
I just feel like a different person. I feel more empowered. I feel like I can make decisions about my health. That before I just felt like I was in a rut and I couldn't change anything. Now I feel like the sky's the limit.
It made a difference for me. It does totally make your whole life better. Do it for 13 weeks and you'll do it for life.
That's the beauty of this program. Set your own goal. Design your life how you want to do it. And you have Unicity Sciences, you've got the products that are proven, you have your own coach for 13 weeks.
Our mission is to provide an environment where you can transform your health, obtain the optimal weight, be strong and fit, and live the quality of life that you really deserve. If you'll give us 13 weeks, we'll give you a new life.
This isn't a cookie-cutter program. Not only are the products customized to fit individual needs, but the trainer is selected based on the client's health and fitness goals. My transformation goals were to lose weight, but my husband, who is a bodybuilder, focused instead on increasing his muscle mass and lowering his cholesterol. The online tracker you see here is quite special. It encourages the clients to be accountable for how they treat their body, but also gives the coach the information needed to tailor the coaching to fit the client's needs. A picture paints 1,000 words, but the bottom line is this. The program has a 100% success rate, meaning every client experiences real results measurable with blood panels and body measurements. And after the 13 weeks, 90% of clients continue the program. 6 months later, there is a 70% retention rate, which is unheard of in the weight loss industry. Not only are those clients and patients continuing to use the products, everyone they know asks for your contact information because they want to transform their life too.
When you refer your patients to the transformation program, they are going to get everything they need to make a true lifestyle change. I can tell you as a dietitian and diabetes educator, this program is the most comprehensive program I've ever seen. We are teaching people how to make healthy food choices without feeling deprived, how to weave exercise into their daily routine, and how to integrate natural supplements that not only make weight loss easier, but significantly improve the body from the inside out. And the icing on the cake is the personalized coaching and support they receive every step of the way.
Jen attempted to compare our program to others, but there really is no comparison. Unlike Jenny Craig or Nutrisystem and MediFast, our health coaches teach your patients how to give their bodies proper nutrition so they can enjoy their favorite restaurants without feeling guilty or feeling like they're wrecking their whole diet. Because this isn't a diet. It is a complete lifestyle transformation. Now, I've never tried MediFast before, but the prepackaged food on the other two is only tolerable because it has such a high salt content. Way too disgusting to continue eating for long term. I also hear, you see the lap band. I don't have a lap band, but I lived in Utah when HCG first became popular, and I did it. I went to the doctor daily to get my injection. I followed the 500 calorie per day diet plan to the T. Needless to say, the weight loss was not sustainable, and with the lack of carbs and food in general, I was a miserable person to be around during that time. Now, my transformation that I've been able to go through the transformation program has been a completely different experience. For example, on my first month, I lost 13 pounds, 3 inches around my waist, and 1.5 inches around my thighs. But what's even more exciting for me is that at the 3-week mark, I noticed that I was able to pull a pair of shorts off without unbuttoning them, when the week before I started the program, I couldn't even button them up. And for me, that's all the proof that I need that I lost fat and not water like I did with the other program.
Listen, folks, the wait is over. Give your patients a simple tool to help them take control of their diabetes, heart disease, and fat.
As a non-medical professional, I want to stress that while these products are medically sound with no significant side effects, they do not require a prescription. I've shared these products with everyone I know, especially people who say they are too busy to be healthy, because Slim is simple. It's easy. It's a no-brainer product, and people see measurable results quickly. And then, of course, they share those results with everyone they know, who then purchases products month after month while referring everyone they know to the program too. We're social, competitive creatures, and when we see someone transform so quickly, we have to know what they are doing. And of course, when someone asks what we're doing, how we've made it happen, especially women, we love to say, I'm doing fantastic. I've lost X amount of pounds. I no longer need insulin or heart medication. Imagine for just a moment what that type of word-of-mouth advertising and growth would do for your practice and your income. As Jennifer mentioned, we offer a financial opportunity that allows you to profit up front and build a stable long-term income.
Upfront income is known as active income, while the residual monthly commission you receive as your patients continue to enjoy the health-changing products month after month is called passive income.
You will earn $200 per person you refer to the transformation program. Now, you may have patients who want to begin with Bio's Life Slim only. This is a great option. Your price is $69 per box, but can retail it up to $121.95 per box for a little over a $52 profit. Both the transformation program and Bio's Life Slim have a point volume associated with them. In addition to the $52 per box profit, you'll also earn a rebate of up to 30% based on your volume. Look how quickly you can increase your profits by offering these products.
The profit potential is very exciting. If you only referred 30 patients a month to the transformation program, you would earn $6,000 plus the 30% rebate of $4,500, totaling an additional $10,500 in profit without adding any additional staff or time, and while improving your patients' outcomes. That monthly amount jumps to over $31,000 with 90 patients participating in the transformation program. Most of the time, people want to start on Slim as soon as they hear about it. So many medical professionals, salon owners, and personal trainers find it best to have Slim on hand so their clients can start taking it right away. By providing 100 boxes of Slim to your patients, you're going to profit nearly $7,000. Imagine how good you'll feel recommending a product to your patients that is clinically proven to manage their blood sugar, reduce cholesterol, and get rid of fat while increasing your bottom line.
Once your patients experience the overall health boost from these products, they will continue to order them month after month, and you'll earn what is called passive income. Passive income is when you continue to get paid from taking action once. For example, the Beatles only recorded their songs once, but their estates continue to profit from them. Harry Potter was only written once, but the royalties J.K. Rowling receives have made her one of the richest women in the world. And of course, Unicity franchisees cannot keep their health and financial success a secret. They share this business opportunity with everyone, loved ones, friends, colleagues, even strangers they meet in line at the grocery store. We all know someone who could benefit from these products. Some, such as nurse practitioners and physical trainers, have large client bases, while other franchisees start by just sharing the products with their siblings because they lost their parents at an early age to heart disease, and they don't want their children, their nieces, and their nephews to experience that same loss. Whatever the case, your business will grow, and as it does, you'll qualify for bonuses in addition to the commission and rebates we've already discussed.
This is a simple business, and we have fantastic business coaching and tools available for both medical and non-medical professionals. Our medical professionals who can't keep product in their office love MyDoctorsRx.com. They simply refer their patients to that website. The patient simply enters their health care provider number in, and they order the products that they want, and the provider gets the credit. It's very simple.
There are many ways to launch your business today, but the most common ways are to first, participate in the 13-week transformation program yourself. Second, begin with a healthcare professional package consisting of 25, 50, or 100 boxes of Bio's Life Slim. It actually also includes the same amount of shaker cups. That way, all your patients need to do is open up a pack, pour it into the shaker cup, pour in 8 ounces of water, shake it up, done. This gives your patients everything they need to start enjoying better health immediately. The best option, and the one most people choose, is to do the transformation program themselves and offer the products to their patients. Imagine how good you'll feel inviting your patients to join you in transforming their health. Better yet, make it an office-wide initiative.
At the beginning of this briefing, we promised to show you how to improve your patient outcomes and your profits. If you agree your patients would benefit from lowering their cholesterol, better managing their diabetes, while achieving and maintaining their ideal weight, and you'd like to increase your profits, join us. There are many ways to do so. Most professionals with clients, medical professionals, physical trainers, salon owners, choose to do the transformation programs themselves and order additional boxes of Bio's Life Slim to have on hand for their patients. Others choose to offer only the transformation program to their clients. Get back to the person who shared this opportunity with you and tell them if you are a 1, 2, or 3. 1 being, I'm excited about the product, program, and the opportunity. I want to get started today. That person will help you explore the best option for you to get started based on your personal health goals and those of your clients. 2 meaning, this looks interesting, but I have a few questions before deciding to start. Or 3, I don't want to make any money and my patients wouldn't benefit from improved health.
When you make the decision to partner with us today, you are joining a team of medical professionals and marketing specialists, and together we are making life better. So if right now you are noticing how excited you're becoming by imagining the health and wealth you could be enjoying 13 weeks from now, join us.
Hey, thanks for joining us. Until we meet again, make life better.